What if your business could run itself? Emails answered, tasks assigned, invoices generated, all without you lifting a finger. AI automation makes that possible today. Automation used to require expensive software and complex coding. Now, AI-powered platforms make it easy for anyone to build workflows that save hours every day. Let's look at how to set up real automation that feels like magic. 1. Connect everything with Workflow AI. Tools like Zapier AI and Make.com act as the glue between your favorite apps. When someone fills out a form, a new deal appears in your CRM, a Slack message goes out, and a thank you email is sent automatically. 2. Automate communication. Use ChatGPT or Typefully AI to reply to messages and draft social content automatically. HubSpot. I can personalize follow-up sequences based on customer intent. 3. Financial and admin automation. QuickBooks. AI categorizes transactions, and File AI scans receipts instantly. ClickUp AI turns invoices into tasks and reminders without human input. 4. Marketing workflows. ActiveCampaign AI predicts when a customer is likely to buy and sends messages at the perfect moment. Combine it with Canva Magic Write to generate visuals for those campaigns automatically. 5. Customer service on autopilot. Intercom Fin AI and TDO AI answer FAQs and resolve issues 24/7. These chatbots can hand off complex problems to a human rep, ensuring no message goes unanswered. AI automation doesn't replace people. It gives them time to focus on higher value work. Start by automating one repetitive process this week. By the end of the month, you'll wonder how you ever ran your business without it.